King to Z.
Oh connect, oh wale, oh wanet, pakam body too correct. Oh no, Erima no forget. Money go befun, oh collect, oh wale, oh wanet, pakam body too correct. Say she love me, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a very interesting video. I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to slick down my 4C hair, and also I'm gonna show you guys different ways to do your style, your low bun. You can also do the styles on a high bun. So I'm gonna show you guys how I use Mali hair, how I use kinky hair, and how I use Kanekalon hair to achieve different bun hairstyle. I know Kanekalon hair is not necessarily the same pattern with our natural hair. I know that Mali hair is actually the best, but I'm just going for any option. For those of you who are relaxed, you can actually use the Kanekalon hair. If you are natural, you can use the Mali hair, or you can use the kinky hair if you want. So I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video, and also share this video with your friends, you know. And I'll see you guys very soon. Now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so I'm gonna start on the wet hair. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my BANTU leave-in conditioner. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my virgin hair fertilizer, especially on my edges because I'm trying to grow my edges back. Now I'm going to go in with my T44Z hair cream and apply on my hair. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and detangle my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and create a middle part. And then I'm going to comb it out. As I do it, I spray a little bit of water because I want my hair to be wet while I'm doing it. So right here, I'm going to brush my hair down. Then I'm going to go ahead and start applying my Eco Styler gel. As I apply my gel, I brush my hair through because I want the gel to penetrate to the root of my hair. Then as I apply it, I also spray water. Now I'm just using my denim brush to brush and slick down my hair properly. And then I'm going to put it in a low bun. This is what it looks like. So now I'm just going to tie my scarf and I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup. So I'm just going to allow it to air dry. So after a couple of hours, I went ahead and took out the scarf. The hair is not completely dry. So you guys can see the hair is not completely dry, but I'm totally fine with this. I can work with this. So guys, first of all, I'm going to show you guys how I got this bun style. You know, when you use this normal kinky hair, what you're going to do is that you're going to get like Kanekalon hair or Mali hair, but I'm going to show you guys an example using this one. So you get a Kanekalon or a Mali hair that is as long as this, or you use the kinky hair if you want. Then you're going to put it on a chair. When you put it on the chair, you place it like this on the chair or something. Then you're going to take strands like this, and then you're going to go ahead and crochet the strands and then you're going to go ahead and crochet the strands on the long hair. So let's say for instance this is the long hair. I'm going to take this, do it into two like this. You just put it into two, you do it like this, okay, like this, and then you take it and then you put it under the hair. Then you act as if you just crochet it, like you know the normal way, you know, to do crochet braid. So you just crochet it like this. So you have this right here. So you're gonna, you know, keep doing the crochet on all the beads. Then afterwards you trim those ones, then you attach this to your bun. You understand? Like you attach it to your bun like this. So that's what I did with this one. So I've crocheted all the hair to this strand right here. So right here I'm just gonna wrap it around the bun. And then I'm just gonna fluff it out. Just try to put it in a position that I like. And this is how it looks. I really love this style. Is so beautiful and it looks really close to our natural hair. So next I'm gonna go in with the Mali hair because it looks like our natural hair a lot, and I'm just doing all the things I'm doing are all cheap, affordable hair you can just get from a beauty supply store. So I've attached the band in between the Mali hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it to the bun. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and attach the Mali hair, and then I'll split it into two. Then I'm gonna further split it into two parts as well, making it 4 strands, and then I'm gonna twist each of them.
I'm left behind, obeyed the light, but always a gone. You fool me at the bottom line, I lie afraid.
So after twisting them, I'm gonna start wrapping them round. You can start from any corner or direction you want to. At the end of the day, it's gonna be very beautiful. So guys, this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, it really looks like our natural hair. It's so beautiful. So now I'm just gonna take the Mali hair, split it into two, then twist each of the strands, making it just 2 strands. Then I'm gonna wrap it round. And this is what it looks like. So now what I'm actually doing is that I'm taking the strand and I'm just twisting it to get that tight twist this time. To get a tighter twist style, you get a result like this, which I think is really nice as well. So right here, I'm not going to twist it. I'm just going to take the Mali hair, and even if I'm going to twist it, it's just a little bit and then wrap it around. You can do any of this style. You can go to work with this style. You can go to church. You can go to school. You can just get away with this hairstyle. You can go anywhere with it. It's so nice. And this is what the style looks like. So right here, I'm going to go in with Kanekalon. Especially for those of you who are relaxed, you can always get away with Kanekalon. But you can also use it on natural hair if you want. So I'm going to split into two, and then I'm going to twist. So right here, I'm going to split the Kanekalon into two, and then I'm going to twist each strand. And then I'm going to twist it and then wrap it round. As I wrap it, I twist it and then I wrap it round. And this is what it looks like. It's really beautiful. It's just very portable, you know. So right here, I'm going to loosen the twist a little bit to go for a more bigger bun. And this is what it looks like. So last but not the least, I'm just going to take the bun and I'm just going to take the Kanekalon hair and then twist it round. And this is the final one. I think it's really nice as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys very soon. Love you guys so much, and bye.